Hello guys, welcome on cycle chart video overview for Samsung Dishwasher DW60R7050FS. So in the auto mode, the amount of the food remains its normal. Cycle sequence is a pre-wash for 45 degrees, main wash from 55 degrees to 65, and rinse or hot rinse from 50 degrees to 70 degrees. After that it's a dry and end. Water consumption is about the 8.5 liters to 18. The cycle time is 115 minutes. In the eco mode, amount of the food is normal. The cycle sequence is a pre-wash, in the cold water, main wash in the 50 degrees, and the rinse with the hot rinse in the 48 degrees. The water consumption is 10 liters. The cycle time is 210 minutes. The intensive mode, amount of the food is heavy. The cycle sequence starts from the pre-wash in the 50 degrees, main wash in the 65 degrees, rinse, hot rinse in the 58 degrees. After that it's dry and end of the cycle. The water consumption is 60.6 liters. The cycle time is 205 minutes. The delicate is amount of the food is light, and it starts from the pre-wash in the 40 degrees, main wash in the 50 degrees, rinse, hot rinse in the 15 degrees, dry and end. Water consumption is 50.5 liters. Cycle time adds up 2 hours. In the exert mode we have an amount of the food. In the normal, main wash is in the 60 degrees. After that it's a rinse and hot rinse in the 55 degrees. With the dry and end after that, the water consumption is 15 liters and the cycle time is 1 hour. And in the pre-wash, the amount of the food is light. It starts from the pre-wash and that's it. The water consumption is 4 liters. The time is 15 minutes. And the next mode is extra silence. Amount of the food is normal. It starts from the pre-wash in the 55 degrees, main wash in the 60 degrees, and hot rinse in the 55 degrees. After that it's dry and end. Water consumption is 30 liters, and the cycle time is 270 minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.